DeWalt DCW600B cordless router. Sponsored by Santa, because I got this for Christmas. I'm just now getting around to being able to have time to play with it. Thought I'd do a little video of unboxing this. Of course, I'm sure there's not going to be much to it. A little bit of demonstration. We'll do that coming up. I'm Roger, welcome to the shop, and if you've been watching my channel much, you know I'm a DeWalt guy. I'm on the DeWalt platform. I've got a lot of DeWalt tools. And Santa brought me this for Christmas. I just haven't had any time to get with it, to play with it. I have several routers, but they're all corded. I do not have a cordless router. So this is going to be nice for those small jobs when you just need to get in and do something quick and you don't want to fool around with the cord. So I already have batteries, so when I got this, I knew there wasn't going to be batteries with it. So I've got this here opened up. So we got here, we got a owner's manual and a wrench. And we have a router in a bag. 1/4-inch collet, that's fine. So I'll get a bit out here and I'll grab a battery and we'll play with this a little bit. So I've got over here on the table, got a router bit, got a battery handy here, and got an old piece of southern yellow pine that I had in here for demonstrating a different tool. We're going to route an edge on that. Got a little round over bit here. So to adjust the depth of this, you open this latch and you can back this out. I'm going to have to back it out a way so I can get a wrench on there. Got a collet lock right here. And I need to back that nut off. Okay, once you got the bit in there good and tight, we'll get a depth set here. Actually, I can just eyeball this. We're not doing any fine furniture here. Yeah, let's put a little bit of a bead on there just for the heck of it. See how much power this thing's got. Got speed adjustment right up here at the top. We're going to crank her up. Power switch right here on the side. So it did a decent job there, and it's nice and light and easy to handle. There's just a little quick demonstration of the DeWalt DCW600B cordless router. Comes without the, this was a bare tool, no battery, but as you can see, it works fine, and I like this. It's not real heavy. It's easy to maneuver on small objects like that, and it works. I'm glad Santa brought it to me. And I will try to find a link to one of these probably on Amazon if you'd like to get one. And I'll put a link in the description. If you got anything out of this, appreciate getting a thumbs up. Always helps the channel. Roger, in the shop. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.